Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we restart Infinix phone and friend, how can we use it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we restart guys Infinix phone. So guys, we will click on my phone setting guys, and guys without press on guys power up button guys, we will restart guys our Infinix phone with secret setting. Then guys scroll it, and as you can see guys phone special function guys, you will have to tap here and guys click on guys phone accessibility menu guys. We will tap here guys accessibility menu guys, you will have to get the shortcut menu, and friends we will have to give permission guys. So guys we will have to give this allow permission guys, tap here to allow and got it. So friends you can see guys this man icon on your screen guys, this extra button guys, the shortcut setting that we have. So you will have to click on this button, tap here. So as you can see there are many settings. Accessibility setting guys, you want to on, you can on guys volume brightness setting guys, we can use screenshot and setting guys, you can use from here. So guys we will tap here, and friends you will have to click on guys your phone power off setting. We will tap here guys, without press guys power off button guys, we will restart guys our Infinix mobile guys. How, let's see. So friends press here guys, friends automatic your phone will off, and this automatic your Infinix phone will on guys. Wait for a while guys, it will take guys I think 20 and 30 seconds. So we will have to wait here guys. As you can see guys, your Infinix phone is going to on automatic. As you can see guys, powered by Android guys, you can check here Infinix. So guys I am going to pause video guys, wait for a while. So friends you can see guys phone will automatic on. As you can see like that guys, we can restart guys our Infinix mobile. So it will take guys 10 and 20 seconds, then guys your phone will on automatic, and guys now you can use your phone. So like that guys, we can restart Infinix phone without press power off button with secret settings. So bye guys.